Hello everyone. Let's see the subtraction of fractions. First we will see subtraction of like fractions. First example, 12 by 15 minus 7 by 15. As these are like fractions, denominators are equal. So LCM of this equal denominator, what will be the LCM? LCM of 15 and 15 will be 15 only. Okay. Now subtract numerators. So here 12 minus 7. What will be the answer? 5 by 15. 12 minus 7 is 5 and in denominator 15. Now 5 and 15 both are lying in the 5's table. So you can reduce it into the simplest form. So 5 ones are 5 threes are. So here 1 by 3 is your answer. Okay, if you can reduce it into the simplest form, then only you reduce, otherwise you will get whatever the fraction you will get, that will be your answer. Now next sum, here 1 minus 2 by 3. Now here 1, for 1 you can write here the same denominator and numerator. There, for example, 12 by 12 is 1, 20 by 20 is 1. That means if denominator and numerator both are equal, then you are getting 1. But in this case, here denominator is 3. So I will write here for 1, 3 by 3. Okay. So what if I will write here 3 by 3 for this one minus 2 by 3. Again see, as denominators are equal, these are like fractions. Now it is easy to subtract. What you have to take? LCM of denominators. As here both denominators are 3, therefore LCM will be only 3. Okay. Now subtract numerators. 3 minus 2. What you will get the answer? 3 minus 2 will be 1 and denominator is here 3. So 1 by 3 is your answer. Next, 5 by 6 minus 1 by 3. Here denominators are different. Therefore, these are unlike fractions. To solve unlike fractions, again the same process we will do. We will take out first LCM. LCM you can take out by the factor method, prime factor method, or by the multiple method. As these numbers are small, easily you will get this LCM by the multiple method. How it is? 6, what is 6 table and 3 table? 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12 and so on. What is 3 table? 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. What is here? First common multiple. First common multiple is this 6. Okay. So what will be the LCM? LCM of 6 and 3 will be 6. Now come to the next step. What we will do? We will write LCM 6 in denominator. Now what is your first fraction? 5 by 6. Now by which number you are multiplying to get 6 here? As here 6 only. So we will multiply 6 ones are 6 into 1 only. So multiplying, you are multiplying here in denominator by 1. You have to multiply to the numerator also by 1. So what I will write here in numerator? 5 into 1. Now next middle side minus. Now next fraction. What is here in denominator? 3. What you have to make there? 6. Therefore 3 into 2. 3 twos are 6. Therefore 3 into 2. So here also 1 into 2. Because by the same number you are multiplying to denominator and in numerator. So what you will get here? 1 into 2. As 3 into 2 is 6. Therefore 1 into 2. What you will get here? 5 into 1 will be 5 minus 1 into 2 will be 2. So 5 minus 2 and divided by this numerator 6. What is left here? 5 minus 2 will be 3. 3 by 6. Again you can reduce this because 6 is lying in the 3's table. So you can reduce that. 3 ones are 3 twos are. What fraction you are getting here 1 by 2, which is your answer. Next, 13 by 24 minus 7 by 16. See here denominators. Denominators are different, therefore these are unlike fractions. How we will solve this subtraction? First we have to take LCM of 24 and 16. Okay, we can take this by the multiple method or prime factor. First we will see how we can take out prime factors. First denominator is 24, second is 16. Both are divisible by the small prime number 2. Therefore 2 here, 2 ones are, 2 twos are. So 12 here. Then 2 eights are 16. Next, again by 2. 2 sixes are 12. 2 fours are 8. Again by 2. 2 threes are 6. 2 twos are 4. Now next again 2. 3 I will write as it is. 2 ones are 2. Now next 3. 3 ones are 3. Okay. You have to repeat this till you are getting here 1. Now your LCM will be product of all these prime numbers. So 2 twos are 4. 4 twos are 8. 8 twos are 16. And 16 threes are 48. So LCM is equals to 48. Okay. Again second method also I am going to tell. Second method I told in previous question, that is multiple method. So what will be the, if you know there are 16 stable, then what will be there 16 stable? 16 ones are 16, then 32, then 48. Okay. Now next 20, if you can make 24 stable, then 24 ones are 24 and 24 twos are 48. First common multiple 48, 48. So LCM will be 48. Which method you are feeling easy, that depend on you only. You can use any one method. Now here you got LCM 48. Now how you can solve? First I am writing here LCM in denominator. It is 48. Now 24, this denominator 13 by 24. What is here? 24. Which number, by which number you are multiplying to 24? So you will get 48. 24 twos are, that means 20 you are multiplying by 2 here to get 48 in denominator. So you will multiply here in numerator also by 2 only. So what I will write here? 13 into 2. Middle sign minus. Now here next denominator is 16. 16. We want here in denominator 48. So by which number you are multiplying to this 16? 16 threes are. Therefore 16 into 3 will be 48. So 7 into 3. Same number. By same number you are multiplying. 16 into 3 will be 48. Therefore 7 into 3. You are multiplying to numerator also by 3. Now what you will get here? 13 twos are 26 minus 7 threes are 21 divided by 48. Now what is left here? 26 minus 21. What is left here? 5. 5 by 48. You cannot reduce this again. So this is only your answer, 5 by 48. Thank you for watching.